Hello everybody, I'm Rodrigo Lima. I'm going to show you my JavaFX application that I built in Java. So first of all, my launch class. Uh, First of all, I'm doing the scene, setting the stage. That'll be my athlete form, and it's calling also my view. It's echo fxml. So after setting all this standard in launch, I did my controller with, let me show you, combo box, text field, and date picker, and also label to show the exceptions. So I'm gonna show you how works my application and how I'm gonna handle the exceptions. So right here, I'm gonna click here to create the athlete. So if I do not click here, it's gonna complain, should I click in the check box. So first name gonna be empty like you saw. So last name also cannot be empty. Gender cannot be empty. Male, shift, also complaining, showing all the exceptions. Sport also, volleyball. My height, I put a validation between 130 and 240 centimeters, so 178. Phone number, I put a Brazilian phone number. So that's the Brazilian phone number. If I put one more, it's gonna complain. So just taking this. Street address only empty, so just put it like my street in Brazil. My state gonna be empty as well. So city would be, okay, not be empty as well. Postal code would be Brazilian postal code, so it would be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's gonna accept. If I put one more, wrong format, so 8 digits. Entering date in athletes, I would put today the validation. If I put after, it's gonna complain. So put only one day before here, one day before. So date of birth, I put. Let me show you. Date of birth. If I put today, insert invalid entering date. Okay, sorry. So just put it here. Okay, age must be below 100 and above 15. So I put my age here, 25. Alright, no problem. So should accept. Date enroll university, it will only like for today, so it's okay. So number, put a 9 digit because my university would be 9 digits. So if I put one more, it's gonna complain. Alright, so just erase, create the athlete. So after this, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna write in the file. So it's loading. Let me open right away that's my class, April 12 assignment 2. So we wrote a file. I put some spacing here because it was all together, I couldn't read it. So put before and after and wrote all here for me. Also put the age, do some methods for putting the age. So after this, I'm going to show you my tests. So I'm running 100%. So let me show you. Oh, no, let's run test, sorry. Test file. So I did all the tests with all the scenarios. So, okay, pass 100%. I did all the scenarios here, no problem, and that's my model class athlete.java with all the attributes, string, local date, and int height, and all my validation would be right here. And also after this, I have some extra methods like toString and getAge. So that would be how it works. Launch, we'll launch the view that you saw, and also I did some CSS with combo box, data picker, just to show you that it's yellow and the blue, it's all in a pattern that I chose. Like that's the yellow, that's the blue, so that's would be my pattern. So launch, I'm gonna launch the view, the controller, I'm gonna set all the ifs, and you're gonna create it at least and bring it to other file, and that's my model. So I think that's all covered in this video with test passing 100%. So thank you.